Hello, my stamping friends. This is Renee Novak at blessedbycards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and I'm here today to share with you another Make It Monday tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be a little bit different. I've been getting some questions about how to add the sticker piece to your stamp. People are having a hard time lining up their stamps. So I thought I would share with you this new Kiss of Texture stamp set and show you how I add the stickers to my stamps. So what you'll need is obviously the stickers that come with the stamps themselves, and then you will need a clean, clear block. And so what you want to do with your clean, clear block is you want to peel off your sticker and you want to stick it onto your block. That would be the part that's normally going to stick onto your block. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to line up your stamp on top of your picture. It's going to line up perfectly. And so that will give you a perfect alignment. So after you have your sticker on, then just peel off the part that's really sticky, and that's where you're going to want to put your rubber part. So let me just grab that. So now that's that really sticky part showing. And then you want to take your stamp and you want to just, you can do it either way. The easiest way for me is to make sure it's the right side up, and then I flip it over because this is where I want the sticker to go. And then I'm going to turn my stamp as well. And so now there's nothing on here, but this part's really sticky. And then you want to just line it up perfectly over your image or your rubber part and just press down. Give it a firm press, and then you want to just peel that off of your block and it's ready to go. Okay, so let me show you that again. Start with a clear block, and then you peel off your sticker. You're going to leave this part on it, and you're going to put that right on your clean, clear block. And I'm just going to set it down, and I like to smooth mine out so I don't get any bubbles. So you smooth it out like that. Okay, and then this is the part that's always going to be on your sticker, your stamp, I'm sorry. And then you're going to take your stamp that matches your image, peel off that back because that's where we want to put our sticker. Okay, and then you can just line it up before you peel this off so that you can practice. Make sure that the hoops are going the same way. So this one's pretty symmetrical, and if I were to just do it like that without checking, I would see that these are upside down. So you really want it to be the other way. Make sure if you have a directional stamp that it's going the right way before you adhere it. Okay, and so there it is, and that's the way it's going to go. Then you take off that really sticky backing and line up that push down, and you have your stamp ready to go. Then you just peel off and it's ready to go. So let me try that one more time. I'll do that one more time. Let's do the banner. Okay, here's the banner. We'll grab the sticker. And this is the part that is going to be re-sticky. Put it on there. And then peel off your backing. And then again, kind of see where it's going to go. This one, it doesn't matter. It's the same top, same bottom. That looks good. So now you're going to peel off that super sticky part and line it up on your banner. And that's how super simple it is to attach the little stickies to your stamps, and then you are ready to go and ready to stamp. So that is all I have for my Make It Monday. Not that we really made anything, but we put our stamps together and we'll be ready to create with this stamp set. So stop back on Wednesday for some card tutorials with the Kiss of Texture stamp set. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be blessed.